Learn English sentences. Use your napkin. Use your napkin. Put on your shirt. Put on your shirt. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Wash your hand. Wash your hands. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Stand up, please. Stand up, please. Let's play outside. Let's play outside. Share with your friend. Share with your friend. Be kind to others. Be kind to others. It's snack time. It's snack time. Come here. Come here. Don't shout. Don't shout. Cover your sneeze. Cover your sneeze. Don't be angry. Don't be angry. Clean up your toys. Clean up your toys. Get dressed quickly. Get dressed quickly. Hold my hands. Hold my hands. Don't pull sister's hair. Don't pull sister's hair. Take a bite. Take a bite. Are you comfortable? Are you comfortable? Speak loudly. Speak loudly. Take your medicine. Take your medicine. Do you need anything? Do you need anything? Don't move. Don't move. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Come down slowly. Come down slowly. Excuse me. Excuse me. Let's walk together. Let's walk together. Wake up early. Wake up early. Clean up your garden. Clean up the garden. Use your spoon and fork. Use your spoon and fork. Time to cook. Time to cook. No problem, it's okay. No problem, it's okay. It's impossible. It's impossible. Don't yell. Don't yell. That's amazing. That's amazing. What happened? What happened? Take a nap. Take a nap. Take care yourself. Take care yourself. Good idea. Good idea. Tie your shoelaces. Tie your shoelaces. Take a bath. Take a bath. Can't say. Can't say. Set the alarm. Set the alarm. Your turn. Your turn. Finish your meal. Finish your meal. It's fantastic. It's fantastic. Stop crying. Stop crying. What nonsense. What nonsense. Don't insist. Don't insist. Don't talk with your mouth full. Don't talk with your mouth full. Time for school. Time for school. Surf the internet. Surf the internet. It's nothing. It's nothing. Don't run inside. Don't run inside. How foolish. How foolish. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Time for bed. Time for bed. Move the furniture. Move the furniture. Plug the flower. Plug the flower. That's all. That's all. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. Think again. Think again. Believe me. Believe me. Don't touch switchboard. Don't touch switchboard. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Don't jump on the bed. Don't jump on the bed. Forget my keys. Forget my keys. Don't scribbles on the wall. Don't scribbles on the wall. Be kind to animals. Be kind to animals. Get out from here. Get out from here. Hurry up. Go quickly. Hurry up. Go quickly. Don't touch the iron. Don't touch the iron. Don't spill your drink. Don't spill your drink. Hold your pencil correctly. Hold your pencil correctly. Sit there, please. Sit there, please. Pay attention, everybody. Pay attention, everybody. Don't step in the puddle. Don't step in the puddle. Stay in line. Stay in line. Don't touch the stove. Don't touch the stove. Iron your shirt. Iron your shirt. Wash your car. Wash your car. Drink your milk. Drink your milk. Change the pillow cover. Change the pillow cover. Don't chew with your mouth open. Don't chew with your mouth open. Trust me. Trust me. Say good night. Say good night. Stop fighting. Stop fighting. Be punctual, don't be late. Be punctual, don't be late. Open your book and read. Open your book and read. I fulfill my promise. I fulfill my promise. I am yawning. I am yawning. Finish your homework. Finish your homework. Don't wink. Don't wink. Feel sick. Feel sick. I am getting wet. I am getting wet. Look both ways. Look both ways. Don't spit on the floor. Don't spit on the floor. Don't hit. Don't hit. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Drive slow. Drive slow. Have patience. Have patience. Check my answer, please. Check my answer, please. Write it now. Write it now. She sings well. She sings well. Don't whisper. Don't whisper. Are you ready for test? Are you ready for test? Don't be upset. Don't be upset. I need help. I need help. I am in trouble. I am in trouble. Keep your clothes in cupboard. Keep your clothes in cupboard. It's about you. It's about you. They arrive. They arrive. Clean your face. Clean your face. Be ready for school. Be ready for school. I can't remember. I can't remember. Take some rest. Take some rest. Clean your room. Clean your room. Hold this, please. Hold this, please. Let's go home. Let's go home. Welcome Kids Open Window channel. Do like and subscribe.